Even small youth should be alright. Huh? Well, you can't put the rope on the top, you know.
Yeah, but half of it would be hanging out.
It's alright. It's not our problem. It's not our problem. That's their problem. But they should bring a bit bigger car or ute so that morning. Hoy, here's a bridge.